Hi there, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to stop contacts from finding you on Snapchat. So first you just need to open your Snapchat application, then tap on your profile icon at the top left corner, then tap on this gear icon at the top right corner. Now from here you just need to scroll all the way down until you find this privacy control sections. Now from here you will find contact me option here. Now you can just tap on it and make sure you have select it to friends. If you select it to friends or contacts, that means you can just discovered by your friends or friends of friends or other mutual friends, and also your contacts. So if you're on Snapchat, then your contacts will get notification that you are on Snapchat, and you will also get the notification that one of your contact is not on Snapchat. So select to the friends and tap on OK, and it will just limit the ability to reach to you, and then you just need to scroll a little up and you will find this additional service where you can find these contacts here. Now tap on it, and from here you can just tap on this remove sensed contacts from Snapchat. Here it is, you can find it here. Now tap on it and confirm that you want to delete contacts data that are already associated with your Snapchat account. So tap on confirm, and from here it will just take you to the Snapchat settings where you can adjust the access to the app access to your Snapchat. So you can just go to the contacts here. Here it is. Now go to the contacts and you just need to tap on none. So it will disallow, your device will disallow Snapchat to access your contacts. So if your contact is not accessible to Snapchat, so Snapchat can't allow you to find by others from contacts. So that's how you can just easily stop contacts from finding you on Snapchat. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.